Hollyland Lark M2 lavalier microphone, which is wireless with plenty of connectivity. So here we have a connection for USB-C. Here we have a connection for your iPhone, which is lightning bolt adapter right there. And here we have connectivity for your DSLR camera, and it even comes with the connection for it, which will be right here. And you can also versatilely connect USB-C to be able to charge your mics as you're on the go. And now let's take a look at the other accessories it comes with. We have a wind muff, so this is going to cancel out any wind noise is going to cancel that out, and it's magnetic. So what's it all about with the magnetic? So here we're able to use these clips on either microphone, but let's look at the microphones themselves. Here they are. They're circular, so much different than what you're used to. Okay, and you're getting two of these guys, and the way you charge them is you just simply put them into the charging port like this, like that, and then it's going to start charging your lavalier mic right there. So it's nice to have that feature, so you can tell that it's going to be charging that right away. You also can use a lanyard to hang around your neck, and then guess what? It is magnetic, so you'll be able to use a lanyard and set it up that way, or you can have the magnet behind your shirt and no one will be able to see it. And I'll demonstrate that in just a few seconds here. So it's nice to have two clips. It does come with a USB-C cable, and let's look at it closely here. This is a very nice adapter. Let's take a look all around. There is the charging part of it. Here is the clip. Okay, there is your camera connectivity right here, and here are these lights to tell you which mic is on or if both of them are on. And here is another feature that you can turn the volume up or down. Okay, you can power on the device here like that. You can also charge, connect it right there, and you also have a menu right there, so it's going to be able to help you out maneuvering to your camera. This is an audio check with the Android mics. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Now let's listen to the sound with the Lark M2. This is an audio check with the Hollyland Lark M2. Audio check 1, 2, 3. You don't need to set up any special drivers or anything. It is detected by the phone. Audio check 1, 2, 3. An audio check using the microphone directly from the phone without the Lark. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Audio check 1, 2, 3. This is an audio check with the Hollyland Lark M2. Audio check 1, 2, 3. No special drivers are needed. It's connected and it detects the mic right away. Audio check 1, 2, 3.